the stars, there's a place for each of us.
Today we are going to unbox Kuku Model C. In this model, first of all, we have user manual. Inside user manual, it has a service card, and inside it, this is the Model C which you are seeing. We are opening the back cover of Model C to reveal what's inside. First of all, you will find an pre-filter which can be easily removed. This is washable filter. It has a nylon net which captures fine dust, pet hair and large dust particles. After that, you have a deodorizer filter. This deodorizer filter is made of active carbon and it absorbs harmful gases and all types of odor which are found regular in our homes. After this filter, you will have a HEPA filter. This HEPA filter is the main filter which helps us to purify PM 2.5 particles. This filter is the highest quality filter which is there in this product, and after that you will see circulation fan inside this. So this fan is generally as per the suction, and the pure air comes from the top. To remove the upper grill, we need to press on the sides of the panel like this, and the grill will be ejected from the bottom side, and we just need to pull out. You can clean this grill using a soft brush and again refit the same similarly like shown. Today I have a model which has been used for 2 weeks. I will show you how to clean filters inside. First of all, we will remove the back cover, after which we will have a pre-filter. You can easily remove this pre-filter, after which you can dry clean using vacuum cleaner, or you can wash inside the water. And if you wash this filter, make sure you dry it, and afterwards you can install back again. Do not install a wet filter. After which you will have access to deodorizer filter. This filter is a non-washable, so you just need to use vacuum cleaner to absorb dust, covering dust, after which you can keep aside this filter. After that, you will have a HEPA filter. This filter also you can use vacuum cleaner to absorb the fine dust, and just dry clean this filter. Do not wash this filter, and after which you can go inside the chamber. You can use vacuum cleaner again here to absorb additional dust covering any of the area inside. So after cleaning, I will show you how to assemble this again. So first install HEPA filter. This HEPA filter, after installing HEPA filter, install deodorizer. Keep in mind that ribbon is facing towards us. Then install pre-filter. After installing pre-filter, just cover the lid back inside. you will hear the cracking sound, which indicates it has been properly latched. Now turn this air purifier to the right hand side. You will see sensor. You will have a small window for the pollution sensor. Just open that window, and after that you will have a small hole which is used to clean this pollution sensor using a cotton swab. Just wet this cotton swab with water and just gently clean the lens inside, and after which you can use another part of the cotton swab to again dry that lens. So this is how this pollution sensor can be cleaned, after which you just need to again close this window. Firstly, we have a power button which can be pressed to power on the air purifier. Default is the auto mode. Auto mode senses pollution level and automatically adjusts the fan speed. If you wish to change the mode, you have a mode button. You just need to click. You will have air curation mode. Air curation mode senses the room and operates accordingly. To set air curation mode, power off the model, hold mode for 3 seconds. You will see air curation. This is the setting for the large room. To change setting, press fan speed. This is setting for small room. Again press fan speed. This is setting for the medium room. So to save this setting, right now we have a medium room. Just press power on button. This setting will be saved, and when you power on the air curation mode, power on in the air curation mode, this setting will be applied. After which we have heavy dust mode. Heavy dust mode is used when there is a high level of dust in the air. Baby mode activates ionizer in this model. So this is suitable for rooms wherein baby is there. So this eliminates bacteria and viruses in room, and also helps to settle floating suspended small dust particles. After which we have a silent mode. Silent mode is operated when you are operating air purifier in night to get a sound sleep, so you don't want any fan noise in the room. Fan speed is automatically set to the lower side settings in this mode. Then you have a repeat mode. Repeat mode repeats the setting which is saved last. If we have kept on auto, it will be on auto, and repeat will turn off air purifier after an hour, and it will keep on turning on and off in the interval of 1 hour. After this you have a if you press the mode button, it goes into auto mode. Now I will show you how to manually adjust the fan speed. We have a fan speed button over here. If we press once, it will be on the level 1. If we wish to increment the fan speed, press fan speed button again, it will go on level 2, likewise level 3, 4 and again 1. So it has 4 fan speed. 4 is the highest speed setting. after that I will show you how to set off timer. So after clicking the time button, you will see off light over here. This is the off timer. So we can set this off timer to 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, up till 12 hours. After we just leave this button, it will be set for the 12 hours. You can see off low button is glowing, so it means it is counting till 12 hours. So this again, if I press, it will show 12 hours, which is previously set. To cancel this, need to press again time button. So this off button will be turned off. So if you wish to lock this panel, so press lock button for 3 seconds. So this is the lock, after which all buttons will be locked. To unlock, just hold for 3 seconds. This will again unlock the panel. Now I will show you how to set turbo function. Turbo function, when you click once, it will set to the highest speed, which is 5. This is the super fan speed mode, which is used when there is too much pollution in the room. So this mode is set default for 30 minutes and it resumes back to auto mode. To set timer for the turbo mode, power off the unit. After that, hold mode button for 3 seconds. After that, keep on pressing mode. You will see CO. CO is turbo setting for continuous. You can set for 10 minutes turbo, you can set for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 50 minutes, and continuous. CO is continuous. I have kept on continuous setting. So you can modify this as per your need. To save setting, press on off. Now if you wish to set sensor sensitivity, in the power off mode, hold 3 second mode button. Then again press mode setting. You will see on with the buzzer. This is for buzzer on off. If we click this fan speed, it will, this is off setting, means buzzer will turn off. If you click again fan speed, the buzzer is on. Again you just click mode button. This is filter change option. So if the filter change indicator is turned on and if you want to reset, so just click again. So this is the filter change turned to off. So after which you can change filter within 24 hours as per your parts availability. And if you now again, if I press mode button, the 2 number will be highlighted. This is sensor sensitivity. Again press fan speed button to modify sensitivity setting to 1, 2 or 3. So 3 is the lowest sensitivity and 1 is the highest sensitivity and 2 is the medium sensitivity. So again, if you want to save this as a medium sensitivity, press power on off button. So the settings is again saved. Now I will show you how this panel shows pollution level. So to see the pollution level, you need to hold air cleanliness button. So like this, if I click once, this light will appear, LED light will appear. If you wish to see this again, just click over here. If you long press this button, so this illumination will be held continuously. So to shut down this, just hold this button. So it has 6 level of indication, blue being the indication for clean air and red for polluted air. In between there are colors like yellow, green, purple, which indicates different pollution levels. It also has an energy eye on the panel. This energy eye will sense the ambient light and the fan speed will be operated accordingly. In the daytime, when the pollution will be high, the fan speed will be automatically set to the highest fan speed, and in the night when the pollution levels are low, it will be working on the lower fan speed. So it will give us more power saving.